The first screen you'll see when you log into Cobalt is the dashboard screen. And the first prompt is to get started by creating a campaign. So the steps I'll walk you through is to select a sales program, provide details about your campaign, and then submit the campaign to Kawasaki for approval. So the first step would be hitting the start button. Next, you select a sales program. So you can see the sales program names are here. So the 2019 Street Motorcycle Retail Incentives, the Team Green Retail Incentives for the non-current. You can see the sales program code is up to date, and also the product line in which these sales programs run under. So let's select the Team Green Retail Incentives. Next, we'll select a destination for the ads. So we have online display, Facebook, and offline like print. So let's select Facebook. So next we have the campaign details screen. So it's defaulted to the name of the sales program, but we can actually call it whatever we want to recall that's easiest for us. So let's say So let's run the campaign for a month, so October 23rd to November 23rd. We can set the budget. Let's start with a budget of 150, and this is very easy to change later if we like some of the creative we see. So the target location is defaulted to the dealership's address, and the target radius is the distance around the dealership where the ads will run. So we optimize to hit all the local audiences and people that are most likely to make a store visit and purchase. We can see the audience details are here. So each sales program has a defaulted audience based on the products. But we can just add, an addition here. Just some additional notes about your local audience. So we'll create the campaign. So next we can actually modify these creatives, edit them, or delete them to suit our needs. If you have your own creative, you can actually upload and create your own from scratch, or invite your team to do so. And once you're satisfied with your creatives, you can actually send for campaign approval to Kawasaki, your DSM. So, okay. So above we can see the campaign details that we just set up, so our run dates, so October 23rd to November 23rd. We see our budget of $150, and that'll be spent over the course of the month here. And we see our audience targeting here with also, the local audience part here and the radius. So here's all the creatives that actually come with the sales program. These are pre-made, ready to go, and they're made for performance, made for clicks. So we can edit any of these ads. Let's say we don't like this financing deal. We prefer this this offer, the rebate. So let's delete this creative. And say we want to modify this creative a little bit. Say our audience likes Supercross more than motocross for whatever reason. Okay. There we go, and so the headline, this appears in the Facebook ad. This is what your audience will see in Facebook, and it'll have your dealership's name at the top. Then all of your headlines, everything will be up to date. You can also download this creative if you want to use it for later, or delete the image. You can also swap the image if you want. So let's update that. So that's updated to reflect the changes we just made. And say we like this campaign so much, let's increase the budget to 300. So you can see that updated on the campaign view right there. So if everything looks good, we'll run these two ads for a month, spending $300 on Facebook. If everything looks good, let's submit to Kawasaki DSM for approval. Also, if you want to look at the sales program, you can actually download the PDF here as well. It's all in one place. No multiple logins. So there we go. Submit for approval. So the campaign is submitted for approval. Congratulations. So the brand will review and they will approve, ideally, your co-op creative. If they reject the ad, they'll give you a reason for that rejection. You can easily resubmit the ad with their adjustments. So it's very fast. There's no need for multiple emails. So the Kawasaki DSM will get that notification really quickly. And as you can see here, we have the campaign we just created right there. The status is submitted. And once the Kawasaki representative approves the co-op ads, you'll see approved. Hit this section here, and there'll be a button to actually publish the ads to Facebook. So that's how fast it is to get a co-op ad approved and sent to the system, and these ads are ready to run on Facebook. After the ad runs its course, you can upload the invoice and then submit to brand for fast reimbursement and funding. And that's how easy co-op is with Cobalt. Thanks for watching.